from this to this. After 3.5 years, now it come the time that I have to repair my exhaust pipe after abusing it in Enduro and Hard Enduro. So I finally bought myself a MAPP gas torch, and that one should do the trick. And as most of the other things I'm doing on this bike, I've never done it before. So we'll see if I break the pipe or I will undent it. Yeah, it's pretty dented. So that will be interesting to see if I can fix this or not. The pipe is off. I got my torch with MAPP gas, and I have this tool to pressurize the pipe. This one I bought at AliExpress. It was around $43, I guess it was. So pretty affordable. I'm going to secure this end with some wire here, so it will not fly off. It shouldn't, but just as a precaution. And then I will pressurize it and see if I can get it done. As I mentioned before, I have never done anything like this before, so we'll see if I will be able to or not. So let's get going. So now I connected this device to the pipe and secured it at this end. And I've tightened it here, and I have most of the dents here. It should be accessible from this side, and I did put it in the vise so it will stay put. And I have pressurized it with 50 psi. I've seen different pressure in YouTube videos from 40 to 100, but I will start with 50 to see what happens. Maybe it just takes a little bit longer time, but that's good instead of blowing everything up. Looks like this one is coming out a little bit easier, but the first was right over the weld. After this one, maybe I need to check the air pressure, because it probably increases a lot when it gets hot. I've never seen in any of the videos on YouTube that people are letting pressure out if it's increasing a lot, but you take a look soon. But the dent is coming out pretty nicely. I guess it's a little bit more difficult to get the dents out when the pipe has these this kind of pattern on it. I don't know what it is and what it does. And I'm not going to try to do anything perfect. It is a bit more difficult here in these areas where you have this thingy. So maybe I'm just going to be satisfied with this one, because it's a lot better at least. Okay, let me check the pressure inside. The air pressure now is up to around 75 psi. It looks pretty decent. It's just where these thingies are where it's a lot more difficult to get it out, and of course in the weld. But with this here, I'm pretty satisfied. So now I'm done. My intentions were never to make this one as new. I just wanted to have it a lot better so it didn't affect the performance, and I really think that this is a lot better. It was a little bit difficult here in the weld, and some of these here made it a little bit difficult, but wow, it is so much better than it was before. So I'm very happy with this. So now it's just to put it back on the bike and see if it sounds better, and when I go for a test ride to see if I got some power back.